Hello everyone, welcome to Music Saints. So today we are going to do the chord and the scale of E and B. So let's get started. So first we'll do the scale of E. So scale of E, you can see the tablature form on your screen. So this is the scale of E major. So E major scale will start on the 6th string. Okay, so 6th string is open. Finger numbers again, first finger is used for first fret, second is used for second fret, third for third, and fourth for fourth. So it's very easy to make out. So first is sixth string is open, then on we have second fret, and then we have a fourth fret. So open 2, 4. So fingers, you can see I'm using second and my fourth finger over here. Then on the fifth string is open 2, 4, again same thing. So second and fourth finger again. On the fourth string is 1, 3, 4. So finger numbers will be 1, 2, 4. On the third string it's 1 and 2 only. So first and second finger. On the second string, so open 2, 4. So finger numbers will be second and fourth. Then first string is open. So right, then same alternate picking from the right hand. So this first, the scale of E to the chord of E is very easy. So for chord of E major, I will press the third string on the first fret with my first finger, then the fifth string on the second fret with my second finger, and the fourth string on the second fret with my third finger. So this is chord E major. So you'll play E. This is very easy chord. Then after this, once you're done with chord E, you'll play E, then A. A we did in our previous class. E, A. Then next chord, next scale is of B. So B will use the same position we used in G, A, and D. Right, so it will start on the 7th fret. So 7th fret of the 6th string. Why? Because this is note B. The root has to be B. So you can see on the screen for B you are using the 6th string. So you can see on the 6th string the fret number is are 7, 9. So you can see my fingering. First finger is for fret number 6, second finger fret number 7, third finger fret number 8, fourth finger fret number 9. So 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 7, 9, 6, 7. So it is the same pattern you learned of G, A, and D. Same pattern over here for B also. So now if you practice all these scales regularly, trust me, your guitar learning period will be shorter. You learn guitar very quickly if you practice all these things thoroughly and honestly. So this was scale of B major. I hope you have done it. So I will go slow. Same, alternate picking from your right hand. Now chord B. This is chord B. Now how do we play chord B? A over here, right? So I'll shift this A chord towards on the 4th fret. Now I will press the first string on the 2nd fret. So this becomes chord B major. So A, I'll shift the same position to 4th fret. Now on the first string, I have pressed the second on it on the 2nd fret. So this is chord B. Just practice like this. Just practice individually first. Practice the placing. Once you're done with the placing, then you play E, A, and B. And just play in the rhythm we did in our previous lesson. E, A, B. E, A, B. This was, we have completed our all 7 major chords and 7 major scales. Now I will tell you a bit of theory, like what is exactly when we change, or what are movable chords. Now movable chords means, we did before also, like I gave you an example of scale G major. This was scale of G, then we made it scale of A from here, then scale of B from here, scale of D from here, by changing the root note. Root note means the first note. When we were playing G, the root was G. When we were playing A, the root was A, then B, then D. Now same thing goes with chord also. This is my chord F major. Okay. Now if I'll move this chord 1 fret higher over here, it becomes F sharp. If you remember, we did on notes E, F, F sharp. Same thing goes with chords, but not all chords. So this is F, right? So it becomes F sharp. Then this becomes chord G major. Now one chord G is this also. One chord of G is this also. The both are chord G major. You can sing any song with any position. G, G, and one G is here. Here. So this is G, G, C. So G, E, F, G. This G comes from B, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, and G over here. So you should know the pattern of the 12 notes over there. Same pattern goes. So now why I'm telling you this, that there are multiple position of a chord and a scale. Likewise, I played a scale of G major from here. Now I'm using a set of the 7 notes. What note are those? G, A, okay, G, A, then B, C, D, E, then F sharp and G, right? So if I'll play these notes anywhere on the fretboard, I'm playing scale of G major. One position is this of G major scale, one chord is this, one chord is this. There can be multiple position of scale G also. How? This. So this is also scale of G major. This is also scale of G major. Both have the same notes. Same goes with chord. This is G, this is G, right? This is chord A. This is also chord A. How? F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. But you can't shift all the chords. You can't make this is C, C sharp, and D. This is wrong. Why? Because we can't shift open chords. What are open chords? Open chords means the in chord, if there are too many open notes. Open note means if I'm playing chord C major, C, 3 note I'm pressing and 3 are open, so it's an open chord. In F major, all the notes are pressed, so we can move this chord. In B also, top down, these first, second, and fourth, they are pressed, so we can use this. When you play D, D with 3 notes are pressed, so you can shift, move D also, D, D sharp, and E. This is E. You can use this also as E, but you will not press, you will not play the notes that are open. That means this, this, and this. So this is E, this is E, right? It's D, D sharp, E, 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 because they share the same notes. If I'm playing C over here, C, E, G, okay, this is also C, C, E, G, same notes are used, right? This is also C, C, E, G, C, E, G, chord C position, C, E, G, chord C another position, and C, E, G, chord C number 3 position. Same goes for G, G, B, D number 1, G, B, D number 2, and G, B, D, G, B, D number 3 position. So every chord, any chord or any scale can be played at various places in the fretboard wherever those notes are formed.